sometimes on your drainage system, you're going to have an open exit at the end of it, so water can just flow out. And in that situation, what you want to do is install a critter guard. This is a critter guard I got from FrenchDrainman.com. I really like it. It's heavy duty, it's stainless steel. So what this does is it goes inside the pipe and it lays down and water flows out, but animals, or larger animals at least, can't come back in, and I'll show you how that looks. But this looks very much like the French Drainman leaf filter, and installs relatively easily. A couple things you need to know about it. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to take this and we're going to go 10 segments back and drill our hole. I already have a hole drilled here. This is a small one, but we'll go 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have a larger bit here. Just going to drill that. This is going to be on the top of the pipe. So this is the top of the pipe where the water's coming out. And this is going to go inside. You don't install this on the outside. If you install on the outside, it doesn't work. If you install it on the outside like this, the animals can get inside of it. Or if you do it like that, again, animals can get inside of it. Now you put the washer on. Now you could tighten that with this with a wrench if you'd like to, but you don't have to. And now you have a critter guard. What'll happen is that when the water comes out, it'll flow up if any debris comes through, but it goes back down with gravity, and animals can't go back in there. And that can just be a nice open exit where the water will come out, and animals can't go in there and nest up and burrow in there. If you need a drainage professional in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, call 704-489-3444. Go to drainmylawn.com.